Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mike, and thanks for hanging out with me today. And today I am at Oldtown. One of my buddies moved to Tampa, and he came up here to go to a car show. He has a Camaro, so he's going to be in Oldtown, so I'm just coming to see him today. And if you wonder where I've been, I've actually moved from Davenport up to the Dr. Phillips area. So this last week, I've been moving, and so I haven't really done any videos or gone out. I've just been going back and forth between the two. And if you're familiar with I-4 traffic, it takes me about 40 minutes to go one way. So doing that twice a day, it's don't really leave much time for anything else. But here I am in Oldtown, so I'm going to show you guys the car show and kind of what Oldtown has to offer. So without further ado, let's go check it out. So this obviously is a big tourist area, lots of shops. It's early, it's about 5:30, it's about 6 o'clock right now, so you can see there's plenty of room to like walk and stuff. I've only been here at night once, but it gets pretty crowded. And so I don't know where the car show is going to be at the moment. Looks like it's straight ahead. Yeah, this looks new. A little,
gemstones.
Okay, if you want to look for gemstones. Oh, let me change the setting real quick. There we go. You got some gemstones. I don't know how much it costs, but you got your little sluice buckets, and then it looks like you can look for stuff. I assume you go in here and get a bag of rocks. All right, here we go. Continuing on then. Sorry, I got momentarily sidetracked. So here we got some Jeeps, pretty cool Jeeps. I don't know if they do this monthly, weekly, I'll find out, and I'll let you guys know in the video. I like your license plate.
Ah, thank you, it's my wife.
Oh.
That's awesome.
That's the wife. I got mine at home. Still comes out today.
What's yours say? Yes, ma'am?
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. No, mine's not. I got mine 70 cents.
Oh, really? That's cool.
I had some work done to it today, so it hasn't come out yet.
How often do they do this show? Or how often do they have the car?
Every Friday.
Every Friday?
Yeah, every Friday. Got the Antiques got a, Friday and Saturday. Jeeps all here Fridays.
Okay.
We go to different events.
And do they bring all the Mustangs and all that out here every Friday too? Is that...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Then at 8 o'clock, they parade them all the way around.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This is a pretty cool Jeep. Mother of Dragons. Not to be left out. Got the Jeep Cherokee or the Jeep Patriot. Alright, so tonight we have live karaoke. It's 7 and then it says every Saturday. Welcome to Sun on the Beach. And so during the day they have just the front, and then at night looks like they have another bar. They got a stage. They play live music in here sometimes. They have live bands. When I got a Roosevelt party last year, this is where we came and they had live music afterwards. So kind of a cool little place. It's on the corner of one of the corners down here in Oldtown. All right, so they're doing Sun on the Beach. So I had it completely wrong. They do karaoke in the front part. There's the DJ, there's where you sing. Life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Rock on!
Is this one of the ones?
I believe they're all one of the ones. The tiki one is down there. Do you want to go down there?
What about the N1? Because that, well, that's skunky beer.
All right, so these little shops, they get cheap beer, much cheaper than going in the bars. So Modelo is what I like to drink, just because it's cheap here. It's not a bad beer. 2 for $5, can't beat it.
And the entire stadium is just running with it.
Dr. Pepper. So I guess at 8 o'clock they'll do like a around the
Parade thing?
Yeah, here comes a car, it looks like.
Star Wars car?
Alright, so now just kind of checking out the cars. Got some food, listening to some karaoke, and looking at cars.
Yes!
That's a cool car. That's a cool car. Oh, it's a Star Wars car. The force is strong with this one.
Even have the
That is Vader's vet. All right, so now it's about 7:30, so it's a little bit more packed.
Right now, the biggest issue that we're running into.
Got a lot more cars.
He's getting taken down. He's putting his arm out to brace his fall. I'm like, what? You're doing that. You're trying to take him down. Let everybody take the fall. I gotta take a picture of this and send it to Chris.
Oh, Knuckles. I was trying to figure out who it was.
It's like almost like Sonic.
It is. It's the orange Sonic. There's Knuckles. Those are fun headlights.
They ran off. It's Naruto.
Who?
Another Japanese anime the kids are into these days. Naruto.
Yes. Spawn car.
It's like Totoro.
No, nothing's like Totoro. Lady Deadpool.
It'll change your life forever.
Life changing.
God, no.
You were singing the song for days after.
See Naruto in the hood?
Here's Thor. Yeah. That's not appropriate.
I love it.
It's a pretty cool car. It's got some cool wraps. Lots of neon lights, or LED lights, I should say. Once again, this happens every Friday. And then I was told at 8 o'clock they will drive around, go through the area. This one has a skeleton riding shotgun. It's a creepy night crawler. Oh my.
You did good, buddy.
I'm not creative. I could never picture This was the second. The first one we didn't agree on. The first one had more arranged than it did.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
And you went back to the drawing board.
This is my feelings of things. And
Sorry, it's Grogu.
No, you're good.
So here's Grogu and the Mandalorian. All right, so here are the coffees that they have. I am going to get a caramel latte, and my friend Josh
How you doing?
is getting a frappe. The barista says it's a chick drink, but got my caramel latte. Delicious. How's your frappe?
Quite lovely.
So I had to lower the camera a little bit.
Hey, it's not my fault I'm not stretched.
There's a lightsaber battle going on right in front of us. Pretty entertaining. Never know what you'll find at Oldtown.
I think you're losing, John.
So they say I have British humor, so they want to show me the British shop. But it's about 8:30. You can see there's more people. It is a Friday night. They have a live band. We've got karaoke going over here still.
Unbecoming photo.
Oh, they have a haunted house. Oh, here's the British shop. This is the British shop. You can actually buy beer in here, which is $2.50, which is actually cheaper than out in the little. Here you go. Here's Doctor Who.
Mike, that would look really good on you.
I agree. You should get it.
A little Harry Potter.
Oh.
Rosa is a Hufflepuff.
No, I'm not. I'm a Ravenclaw.
I'm a Hufflepuff. I'm actually Gryffindor. There's the Doctor Who. All right, here's a little car show. that was the car show, like parade around the area. Lots of cool cars. I'm a big believer if you just bought your car at CarMax, though it probably doesn't belong here, like that white Jeep Cherokee, but who am I to say? Maybe she just wanted free parking. But now I'm just gonna hang out, kind of walk around, show you guys the rest of Oldtown. Gonna go over to the amusement park area, so let's go. All right, so here's the fun spot in Oldtown. Just gonna go check out the rides, see what they got. I've never been in here before. The roller coaster seems to be a popular ride. Or no, it's not a roller coaster, it is go-karts. Where'd they go? We got some Cinnabon over there, New York Burger Company. All right. What is this? Is this another go-kart?
There's 2 tracks.
Oh, here's another go-kart one. If you want a t-shirt, get the custom-made t-shirts. Says world's steepest go-karts, 32 degrees bank curve. Oh man, I just got to the end. Well, there's 2 go-karts. It seems very popular. Here's a bar hang game. You have to hang on the bar for X number of seconds. I've never seen anybody actually complete it. Of course, you got darts and the basketball. And then the BB guns. This game, I've tried to play that game. So the barrel isn't, what's it called with the spirals in the barrel? It's not rifled. So the BBs kind of go wherever. I've never seen anybody win that one either. Little ring toss. Mind blower, I don't know what that is, but it looks fun. Souvenir beer cup, fun spot. So if you want beer, I'd go over actually in Oldtown. You can go and get, like I showed before, the Modelas, which are 2 for $5. So this must be the wooden roller coaster. The dynamite themed stuff. We got a swing over here. If you're looking for kids rides. So we got bumper cars. Once again, another kid ride. So we do have some kid rides. We got little airplanes. Looks like they go around and round. It looks like it's shut down right now. We have a little swing for kids. Looks like there is a slide. So they got a fun slide for kids. They have, it looks like an indoor arcade. I'll try to walk through there. They have an amusement, not an amusement, like a fun house type thing. Oh, they even got a little roller coaster for kids. So they have a roller coaster. They have a fun house. And they have a little, you know, they want to ride motorcycles or ride a car. That for kids. So they got kid rides here too. Looks like you got little kid games, little fishing hole. Here's the arcade. Oh, we have this. So in Carowinds we have this. It swings and you can control with the little back fin how it goes up or down. Kind of cool. I'm gonna go walk through the arcade real quick.
I don't think
So here is the arcade.
feels good in here.
So here's the arcade. It smells like dirty feet in here. So here's some of the games. I guess I should show you the games if I'm gonna walk. So they do have popcorn. They have like a little food place, but you get tickets. You can get prizes. They have skee ball and basketball. The classic shooting games. And that is that Fun Spot? Are we on the back side or was there?
We're on the opposite side.
I think we need to go this way. Big photo opportunity right here, big tires.
Remember when you came right up to me when you bumped something when you wanted to watch one too? You remember where you came right up to me when you smiled and said like the point of it?
And that is the Fun Spot.
We're walking towards you, walking this way.
So that ends my night at Oldtown. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys got an idea of what it all has to offer. Kind of saw the crowds, some of the drinks, you know, the beer and little tiki huts and the coffee drinks and all that stuff, and then the amusement park. So it's a lot of fun. It's definitely worth coming out. It's free to park if you can find a parking spot. It's a fun tourist spot, so I would recommend it if you're in town for a couple days, not going to Disney World. They do car shows every Friday, and then I guess on Saturdays they do car shows at Margaritaville over off Earl Bronson. 192, I believe, is the same road. But if you made it this far, hey, I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.